Hi, I'm Masha, and I'm a co-founder at Trivera.com. We at Trivera ask consultants and coaches to share their biggest struggles when moving their businesses online. And here's what they had to say. Michael says that scheduling meetings with prospective clients usually takes endless back and forth emails. Dave told us that before, it was much easier for his clients to see his integrity and sincerity. Now, when they're meeting online, he's kind of losing the personal touch. Clara shared that it can be difficult to remind yourself to collect payments when you're a small business and have limited resources and staff. Then getting clients to pay on time is another issue. This is why we built Trivera.com, to eliminate the back and forth of emails, to give you the personal touch with branded video meetings, and of course, to make sure you receive your payments on time. Save yourself the hassle. Use Trivera.com.